Hello my dear friends, today we will be discuss about the exponents and power. Exponents and power of standard 8 chapter 12 and exercise 12.1 my dear friends. Okay, so always I told you my dear friends, before going to any exercise you have to clear the funda regarding the chapter topic. Okay, so what is the meaning of exponents and what is the meaning of power, we have to first learn it. Okay, now you just tell me my dear friends, you are already studied in the previous classes. If I multiply 2 3 times, then I can write this one into the form of 2 to the power of 3. Yes or no? Means 2 is multiplied to 3 times and it will be converted into exponent form. It is 2 to the power of 3. Okay, here 2 is the base. 3 is called as exponent. What is that? 2 is called base, 3 is called exponent. Which exponent it is? Means it is positive or negative. You have to find these two. Here 3 is plus 3 or minus 3. It is plus 3. Very good. So I will say that the exponent is 3 and the sign of the exponent it is a positive exponent. Understood my dear friends? So 8 can be written in multiple of 3 times of 2 and it is written as 2 to the power of 3. Okay. Here the question is coming that, sir, you are saying that while I reading this one, 2 to the power of 3, okay, or 2 raised to the power of 3. Here you are saying the power is 3. Each exponent power are both same. Yes, my dear friends, it is saying that power and exponent both are same, but it will be represented differently. Okay, so here I will say that 3 is called exponent. Okay, which exponent it is? Positive or negative? It is positive exponents. Okay, if it is minus there, then I will say that it is minus. The exponent is minus. Okay, the exponent is in minus form. Okay, or you can say that it is in positive integer or a negative integer according to the given question. If the question is like this, 2 to the power of minus 3. Now just tell me my dear friends, how I will read it. Yes, 2 raised to the power of minus 3. Okay, here base is 2 raised to the power of 3 means it is read as raised to the power of minus 3 because minus is there. So here you can say, here the question is coming as, what is the value of exponent? The value of exponent is minus 3, or you can say that value of the exponent is 3 and it is in negative exponent and it is a negative exponent. Understood my dear friends? Okay. Again the question asking, what is the base here? The base is 2. What is the power? The power is minus 3. Understood my dear friends? The definition of exponent and power. Understood? Okay, very good my dear friends. So let's discuss some examples of exponent power. Then after that we will go to the exercise one by one. Understood my dear friends? So my dear friends, if you like my channel, then subscribe it. If you have any doubts, then write in my comments so that I can solve your doubts. Understood? Okay, let's come one by one. Take an example. Now my dear friend, just tell me, the simple thing is saying that 2 to the power of 3 means 2 is multiplied 3 times and the result is coming how much? The result is coming as 8. If the result is 2 to the power minus 3, it is in minus form. Okay, so here a formula is there. What is that? What is that? A power of minus m. If it is like this manner, the value is coming as 1 by a power of m. This is one of the rule my dear friends. We will study 1 by 1 rule. Okay, if your question is in this form, m is nothing but it is the integer. Okay, which integer? The number it itself is, and a is what? The number which is multiplied repeatedly. Okay, So here, what I should write this one? It is in the form of this. Here a is equal to 2, here a is equal to 2, and m is equal to minus 3. Understood my dear friends? So the formula is what? 1 by a power of m is equal to 1 by, what is a? A is 2. What is m? Now minus m is converted into plus m. So 3. The answer is 1 by 8. Understood my dear friends? Like this manner you have to solve 1 by 1. Okay? Now you just tell me what it will be. 2 to the power of minus 2. Yes, very good. It is first written in which form? 1 by 2 to the power of 2. Why? A power of minus m is equal to 1 by a power of m. If it is minus means it will comes to the down. Okay? So I write here 1 by 4 is the answer. Understood my dear friends? Like this manner you have to solve it. Okay? In the simplest manner I can say that you have to use the formula, use this kind of formula of exponent power and solve the answer my dear friends. Understood? Let's discuss one by one. Okay? So come to the next example. The next example is saying that if, can you say me what is 10 to the power minus 2? What is the next step it will be? Yes, very good. 1 by 10 to the power of 2. The answer is how much? 1 by 100. Very good. Extremely good, my dear friends. Extremely good. Now, you just tell me. Some example as, if it is coming as 2 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of minus 3. If like this manner the question will be coming, then how you will be doing it? Here, certain fundas are there, certain rules are there. You have to follow that. Let's discuss one by one rule. Okay? To solve this one, there is a rule is there. First rule is called a power of m. A means base. Okay? M is the power or the exponent. It is in which exponent? Negative, positive exponent. Understood? Now a is the base. What next is there? Into 2 is same here. So a will be as it is. Minus 3 is there. Means n. The number is different. 3 is not same. Plus 3 and minus 3, both of them are not same. Okay? So now, if it is like this manner, the rule is saying that a power of m plus n means you have to arrange the total in this form. Okay? So a is what? The a means it is common. m3 plus minus 3. Okay, like this manner. Now solve the power 2, 3 plus into minus 3, 2 to the power of 0. Now remember the second rule will come here. A power of 0, second one. A power of 0 is equal to 1. Anything power of 0 is equal to 1. So I will write here the answer is 1. Understood? Now the two rules are came here. Understood? Now the next rule, what it is there? If your division is there and the sign is now changed. Now division is there, what is the rule? The rule is saying that if the division will be there, the rule is a power of m divided a power of n is equal to a power of m minus n. Okay? Means you have to subtract both the powers. Now replace here. What is the symbol it is? Tell me my dear friends. It is in the case of like this na. A power of m divided a power of n. Both the cases base are same. So what is the formula? A power of m minus n. Now what is the value of a? It is 2 m 3 n 2 minus 2. 2 to the power of 1 is equal to that number only. Understood my dear friends? This is the simple funda of exponents powers. Understood? Okay. Next, another formula. What is that? You have to be remember these things because one by one formula I am saying, one rule I am saying. With that, one example is given. First we discuss the formula, then we will go for the exercise. Okay. So remember the funda only, my dear friends. Okay. Next one, a power of m whole power of n. Or 2 power of 2 to the power of 2 whole power of 3. If like this manner the question will be there. If like this manner the question will be there. Or you can say whole power of 2 like this manner. Okay. 2 to the power of 3. How it will read? How you should read this one? 2 raised to the power of 3 whole raised to power of 2. Or in the simple manner 2 to the power of 3 whole power of 2. Then another formula is came. A power of m whole power of n is equal to a power of m into n. Okay. If your question is given in this form, then put the formula like this. Okay. So what is the formula? 2 3 multiplication of 2. This formula is implemented right now. The 2 power of 6. Okay. Up to this much you can say it is the answer. Or what you have to write? 64. It is coming 64? Yes, it is coming 64. Okay. So for this formula or this rule, like this is the example. Okay. Simple example I told you, my dear friends, so that you can easily understand it. Okay. Let's go to the another one. What is the another one? Fifth one. A by b whole power of minus m. Okay. Then it will be the formula will be like that. Now it will be the what? Minus is there now. Then it will be a reverse one. What it will be? B by a whole power of m. If like this manner the question will be given, you have to do like this. Okay. So what is that? Let's take an example. 2 by 3 whole power of minus 2. Okay. So like this manner is that. To take out the minus means what? This number will be now reciprocal. What is that? 3 by 2 whole power of 2. Now you can separately you can do it. Okay. Here another formula is came here. What is that? Sixth one. What is that? A by b whole power of m is equal to a power of m divided by b power of m. Okay. So this formula will be now implemented here. Understood? So what it will be? Okay. 3 to the power of 2 is how much, my dear friends? Can I say that? Or another formula will be here it is. Yes, another formula is there. What is that? 3. Tell me. Is the formula is there? No. So you have to write the same thing. What is that? 9 by 4. Or you can stay here also. Understood, my dear friends? Like this manner you have to solve one by one question by using different rules of the exponent and power, my dear friends. Understood? Let's go to the next one. What is that? Is there any formulas are there? 6. Another thing is also there. Now remember this one. Anything is yeah, last one. A power of m into b power of m. It is the seventh rule. Okay, my dear friends. One by one I will tell you. What is the answer? It will be, you can write it a into b whole power of m. Example, 3 power of 2 into 2 power of 2. Here the power are same. Like this manner I am giving the question to you. So what is that? This base will be multiplied. 3 into 2 whole power of 2. Now first inside the bracket just solve it. 6 whole power of 2. 3 2 is 6. 6 power of 2. How much? 36 is the answer. Okay. So first one is what? a power of m into a power of n is equal to a power of m plus n. Okay, first one. A power of 0 is equal to 1, means anything power of 0 is equal to 1. A power of m divided a power of n is equal to a power of m minus n. Next, a power of m whole power of n is equal to a power of m into n. Next, a by b whole power of minus m means in this power if minus is there and like this the question is there means, so inside the bracket whatever it will be there, you have to make the reciprocal. What is that? B by a whole power of m. Sixth one, a by b whole power of m means if numbers are there which are divided with each other means you have to write like this, you have to do it. What is that? A power of n and b power of n. M means the powers are different with each other. Next one is what? When the base are same, power is different. Means a power of m into b power of m, then the base will be multiplied a into b whole power of m, like this manner. Last but not the least, the simplest one, 8th one, you can say that what? A power of minus m is equal to 1 by, means here minus is there, that's why divided a power of m. Example, 2 to the power of minus 3, we have already discussed this one. Okay, so what is that? 1 by 2 power of 3, answer is 1 by 8. Like this manner you have to solve the exponents power questions by using these rules or formulas. Understood, my dear friends? So remember this one, my dear friends. Okay, let's go to your exercise one by one so that you can understand it in very clear form. Okay, very good. You have to by heart this formula, my dear friends. Okay, if you remember the formula, then you can solve any of the given question in your examinations. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. What is the first question is given? The first question is given in your exercise. It's saying that evaluate means find the values. What is that? The first one is saying 3 power of minus 2. Yeah. Tell me. Yes. In the power minus is there means what? It will be divided with 1. That is 3 power of 2. What is the formula? That is x power of minus n, or you can say that a power of minus m is equal to 1 by a power of m. Okay. Now solve it. 1 by 27. 1 by 9. Okay, I am extremely sorry. Okay, like this manner you have to solve it, my dear friends. Okay, let's go to the second one. What is the second one is saying? Second bit. What is the second bit is saying? The second bit is saying that 1 by 2 whole power of minus 5. Now again in the what is that? In the power minus is there. What you have to do? Take out the power. If I want to take out the power, if it is in the fraction form, then the fraction will become reciprocal. What is that? 2 by 1 whole power of 5. Same rule will be there. Okay, my dear friends? Means I can say that same rule. Now 2, here 2 to the power of 5 by 1 power of 5 is, the value of 1 power of 5 is, it is always 1. Okay, so value is 2 to the power of 5. How much it will be? Yes, it is 32. Very good, my dear friends. Very good, extremely good. Now, like this manner, you have to be solve the question, my dear friends. Understood? Okay. Let's go to the third one. Is the third one is there? Yeah. Fourth one is there. Okay. Let's give in the question. Fourth one. What is the fourth one is saying? Evaluate the fourth one. The fourth one is saying 3 to the power of minus 7, and it's saying that divided 3 to the power of minus 10 inside the bracket. Okay. And into 3 to the power of minus 5. First, in the simplification, what you have to do, my dear friends? Inside the bracket, first solve it. A power of b divided a power of what? Or you can a power of m divided a power of m. A power of m divided a power of n. What is the formula? Yes, very good. A power of m minus n. Put this formula first. 3 to the power of minus 7. Okay. Okay. Minus of minus 10. Okay, brackets close into 3 power of minus 5. First solve this one. 3 to the power of minus 7 is as it is. Minus into minus, it becomes plus because bracket is there. Now bracket will be behaved as multiplication. Very good. So plus 10. Bracket close. Divide, multiplied 3 power of minus 5. Now solve inside the bracket first. Here two steps is there. Either you can go directly or by step process it can be. 3 minus 7 plus 10. 1 minus 1 plus is there. What you have to do? You have to subtract the number. We have already studied this one. Subtract the number. 10 minus 7 how much? 3. The gettable symbol is 1 plus. So plus 3 as it is. Now 3 to the power of minus 5. Now again here another formula is came. What is that? A power of m into a power of n. What it will be? What it will be, my dear friends? Yes, a power of m plus n. Okay, this one will be written here and this one will be written here, my dear friends. Okay, so you have to write it. What is that? 3 to the power of 3 plus minus 5. Again it is 1 plus 1 minus is there. So what you have to do? Plus into minus, minus 5 is equal to 3 power of minus 2. Again minus is came here, my dear friends. If you want to take out the minus means what will happen? What will happen? I written this one in this side, okay? So that you can see it very clearly, okay? So I have to take out minus from the power. Means 1 by 3 power 2. What is the formula? X a power of minus m is equal to 1 by a power of m. See how the formulas are using in this equation, okay? So like this manner is coming. How much it is? 1 by 9 is the answer. Understood? Like this manner you have to solve the question given in your books or whatever the question coming in your exam. Understood, my dear friends? So my dear friends, the rest of the question you can try by yourself. If you have any doubts, you can write in my comments so that I will solve your doubts. Okay? So my dear friends, let's go to the second one. Okay, what is the second one we say? Is it understood, my dear friends? Okay, very good. What is the second one is asking? The second one is asking that it's saying that what? Saying that find the values. Okay, find the values. As well as it is saying that you have to solve it and write it in power form in the second number. Sorry, in the second number it's saying that solve the equation and write the answer in power form. Okay, so this is there minus 4 whole power of 5 divided minus 4 whole power of 8. If the question is like this, what you have to do? Okay, so which formula will be here? Base are same. So what write? A power of m divided a power of n is equal to, yes Svetam, very good, a power of m minus n. So put this one. Okay, that is what? Minus 4 whole power of 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 4 whole power of minus 3. Because it is saying that you have to write in the power form, so it will be as it is. Okay, my dear friends? Okay, very good. Let's go to the next number. What is the next number is saying to you? The next number is saying the same question. It is previous question is given. Okay, so that we will try that one. Okay, previous question we will try it. Okay, what is that? 3 to the power minus 7 divided 3 to the power of minus 10 bracket close into 3 to the power of minus 5. First solve it. A power of m divided a power of n. What is the formula? Very good. A power of m here, a power of m divided a power of n is equal to a power of m minus n. Very good, Arusi. Very good. So you have to write the formula, and whatever the rule is came here, resultant rule will be write here. Okay, don't write the formula here. Okay, understood, my friends? Okay. So what it will be? 3 power of minus 7 minus of minus 10, close the bracket, into 3 power of minus 5. This statement you have to write in the bracket. Understood? Very clearly you have to do step by step process, okay? So that your answer will be coming in correct manner, okay? Now, what is the answer? 3 minus 7, what is that? Minus into minus plus. Bracket is closed, into 3 power of minus 5. Solve it, 3 power of 3, okay? Into 3 power of minus 5. A power of m into a power of n. What is the formula? A power of n is equal to a power of m plus n. Whatever you have studied. Very good, Aniket. Very good. This is the formula. Now what is the answer? 3 to the power of 3 minus of 5 is equal to 3 power of minus 2. Because it's saying that you have to write in which form? Power form. So this is the answer it will come. Okay? So my dear friends, next questions, whatever is there, you have to practice by yourself, so that you can solve the question easily by applying these rules. Understood? Very good, my dear friends. Okay? Let's go to the third one. What is the third one is saying? The third one is saying that you have to simplify it. Okay? Whatever the number will be given, you have to simplify in a easiest manner, my dear friends. Okay? So it's saying that find the value. What is the find number is saying? Find the value. Okay? Sorry, my dear friends. Find the value. What is that? 3 power of 0 plus 4 power of minus 1, bracket close. Okay? It's saying that what? Into 2 to the power of 2. So, 1 by 1. Inside the bracket, first solve it. Is any formula is came here? No. 3 to the power of 0 means anything power of 0. Anything power of 0 is 1. So, this one will be 1 plus, this one will be a power of minus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by a. Okay, see that these two formulas. Okay, these two formulas right now using here. Okay, so 1 by 4, bracket close, into 2 to the power of 2. Yes or no? You can do like this manner or whatever the manner. You can directly solve it also. You can write 4 also. Okay, first solve this one. What is that? 4. 4 plus 1 into 4. Okay, now here see 5 by 4 into 4. 4 cancel, answer is 5. So this is the answer, my dear friends. Understood? Like this manner you have to solve the equations. Okay, by using the formula. Here two formulas are used here only. Okay. Let's go to the second one of third bit. What is the second question of the third bit? Remember, my dear friends, I am leaving one question so that you can practice in your home. Okay? Third one is saying that 1 by 2 whole power of minus 2. Okay? And it's saying that plus 1 by 3 whole power of minus 2. Okay? Again saying that plus 1 by 4 whole power of minus 2. Now you just tell me, is the base are same? No. Is they are multiplied or divided with each other? No, they are added with each other. So which formula will be here? Here in power minus is there. Then a power of minus m. What it will be? Tell me. Sorry. A by b whole power of minus m is equal to, yes, the reciprocal, b by a whole power of m. So this formula will be used here. Here case means to take out the minus means 2 by 1. This one will be reciprocal. Plus same here 3 by 1 whole power of 2. Here also in power minus 2 is there. So inside the bracket it will be also reciprocal, that is 4 power of 2. 2 by 1 is what? 2 is itself the number is. Yes or no? Anything divided by 1 means that number only. 3 square plus 4 square. 2 square is 4. 9 plus 16. How much it is? 29 is the answer. Like this manner, you have to find the answer of the given question by applying the rule of the exponents and power, my dear friends. Okay, don't worry. Remember the rules or remember the formulas. You can solve any question. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the fourth one. What is the fourth one? All is saying. The fourth one is saying. It's saying that 3 power of minus 1 plus. It's saying that anything 4 power of minus 1 plus 5 power of minus 1 inside the bracket. It's saying that 0. Here, listen, my dear friends. Listen. Two processes are there. Either you solve inside the process or you can directly do it. What is that? Let's do two processes. Here, anything power of 0 is how much? 1, na? You can say it 1. But if it is 1 mark question, if it is 5 mark question, what you have to do? You have to go step by step. Okay? So, what is the formula? 3 power of minus 1, a power of minus n is equal to, yes, very good, Sweta. It is 1 by a power of m. Very good. So, put it here. If you take out the minus from the bracket, what if you take out the minus from the power, what it will be? It will be divided plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 whole power of 0. You can solve this one. How much it will come in? Tell me, my dear friends. It is 60. Then here it is 20 plus 15 plus 4. Yeah, 20, 15, now. Here 12. Whole power of 0. It is how much it is now? Tell me. 35, 45, 47 by 60. Whole power of 0. Now it is came once again. What is that? Anything power of 0. Anything power of 0 is equal to 0. Anything power of 0 is equal to 1. So, the answer is 1. Like this manner, you have to find it also, you can directly do it also. Understood? So, this is the what? Third question. Shall we go for the fourth one? Yes. We will do one by one, my dear friends. But you have to solve it in a very clear manner by using the rules. Understood? Yes, very good. What is the fourth question is given? The fourth question is given, that is what? It's saying that evaluate the equation of given question. Okay? I will do the second one. Okay? First one is for you. Okay? The second one is saying 5 power of minus 1 into 2 power of minus 1, okay, into 6 power of minus 1. Again the question is like this. In the power it is there. But don't do directly, first solve the bracket one first. Okay? But you can arrange it. What is that? First apply the formula, you can arrange it. Okay? Anything in this case, what is the formula? A power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. So put it 1 by 5 into what? See, here I will be show you the two process. Okay? Okay, into 1 by 2 into how much? 1 by 6. It is 1 by 10 into 1 by 6. It is equal to 1 by 60. Otherwise, the next formula is here. What is that? See, a power of m into b power of m is equal to what? A power of m, here the powers are same. A power of m into b power of m is equal to a into b whole power of m. Now put it here. What is that? 5 into 2 whole power of minus 1 into 6 power of minus 1. 10 power of minus 1 into 6 power of minus 1. Again the same formula will be implemented here. Again the same formula will be implemented. What is that? 10 into 6 whole power of minus 1 is equal to 60 whole power of minus 1. Now here the formula is what? A power of minus m is equal to what it will be? Yes, 1 by a power of m is equal to 1 by 60. See, like this you can do it, like this can you do it. Okay, whatever the method it is easy for you, you can do it. But you have to remember the formulas, remember the rules. Whenever you are implementing, put the bracket here. Okay, understood my dear friends? Okay. Let's go to the next number. What is the next number is saying? The sixth one. What is the fifth one is over? No, fifth one is not over. So what is the fifth number? Fifth number is saying, let's discuss. My dear friends, if you have any doubts, then write in my comments so that I can solve your doubts. Okay? If you like it, then what you have to do? Yes, you have to be subscribe my channel so that your friends will be helpful for that one. Okay? Okay. The fifth one is saying that find the value of m. It's saying that find the value of m. You have to find the value of m. Okay? So what is the equation it is given? Let's see. The equation is given 5 power of m divided by 5 power of minus 3 is equal to 5 power of 5. Yes, it is 5 power of 5. Yeah. Okay. Now this formula is what? You have to find the value of m here. Here the value of m is not given. You have to find it. Okay. So what is the formula? A power of m divided a power of n. A power of m divided by a power of n is equal to a power of m minus n. So put here 5 power of m minus of 3 is equal to 5 power of 5. Okay, now solve this one. 5 power of m plus 3 is equal to 5 power of 5. Now just concentrate here, my dear friends. In the equal side, here 5 is there, here 5 is there. So these two 5 will be cut when it will present in both the side. Okay, of the equal symbol. Now I can write it m plus 3 is equal to 5. Then what is the value of m? This will go to that side and the sign will be changed. Now m is equal to 2. So I will say that the value of m is equal to 2 here. Understood, my dear friends? Very good, extremely good. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next number. What is the last number it is? What is the last number is? Is it understood by you, my dear friends? Okay. Okay, is it understood by you? Yes, very good. Thank you. Let's go for the next one. Okay. Sixth one. What is the sixth one it is saying? It is very important. Okay, what is the question is given? The question is given here 25 into t, okay, minus 4 divided by, okay, it's saying that 5 power of minus 3 into, it's saying that 10 into t power of minus 8 is equal to, okay, t power of minus 8 is given. Here saying that t is not equal to 0. You have to remember this one. Now see, here 5, 25, t is there. What you have to do, my dear friends? Remember this one. Remember this one. First, write everything in the power form. Okay? Okay? See how it will be. Otherwise, solve this one. Okay? So 25 is whose square? 5 power of 2 is equal to 25 into t power of minus 4. Next, 5 power of minus 3 into here 2 into 5 power of 1. Yes or no? 2 5s are 10. 5 power of 1. Anything power of 1 is equal to that number only. That's why I written like this manner. Okay? Into t to the power of minus t. Minus 8. Now, separate everything. Okay? What is that? Again it's saying that 5 power of 2 into t power of minus 4 divided by, here 5 is there. 5 power of minus 3, bring it in one place, into 5 power of 1 into 2 into t to the power minus 8. Okay? Now solve this one first. What is saying that? First the upper case will be as it is, that is 5 power of 2 t is not equal to 0. So it's saying that 5 power of 2, okay, into t power of minus 4 divided by 5 power of minus 3. Whatever the question is given, I just written that one, okay. 2 into t power of minus 8. So next one is what? Same. 5 power of 2 into t power of minus 4 divided by this one, x power of m into x power of n. X power of m into x power of n is equal to x power of m plus n. So I did this one directly. 5 power of minus 3 plus 1, okay, into 2 into t to the power of minus 8. Same thing. 5 power of 2, okay, into t power of minus 4 divided by 5 power of minus 3 plus 1, yes, minus 2, okay, into 2 into t power of minus 8. Now I will written this one in the separate form. What is that? 5 square, this will be, I make it separate, divided 5 power of minus 2, yes or no? Now these two I just divided and 2 will be as it is. What is that? What is that? Or you can write it into 2 power of minus 1, you can write it also. Because 1 by 2 will be there, no? Yes or no? Okay. Into this one, t power of minus 4 divided t power of minus 8. Okay. Now all of them are in the one plane it is. Okay. Now solve it. X power of m or a power of m divided a power of n. It is a power of 2 minus, your divide is there, so minus will come in, minus of 2 into 2 power of minus 1 will be as it is, into here t minus 4 minus of minus 8. Okay. Now a 2 minus into minus plus 2, a, it is not a, it is 5. Sorry my dear friends, it is 5. Okay, into 2 power of minus 1 into here t minus 4 minus into minus plus 8. Okay, now 5 power of 4 into 2 power of minus 1 into t power of 4. This is the answer you have to be got here. Okay, so this is the last answer. You have to find the value like this manner. Understood? Understood my dear friends? Okay. So this is the answer, we get it by solving this equation. 5 power of 2 into 2 to the power of minus 1 into t to the power 4. Understood? So my dear friends, this is the question we have discussed here. If you have any doubts, you can write in my comments so that I can clear your doubt. Okay my dear friends? So thank you and have a nice day.